This, I'm excited for what's in this box. It's gonna be a lot easier to unbox than that desk back there. That was a struggle in the last vlog. You know, a lot of people say that I don't know how to use a knife. You cut away from me, okay? I'm safe. I know what I'm doing. See? Boom. I know what I'm doing. Ow. I just pinched my finger holding it. All right. Fair point. Paperwork. You know, there's only one thing to do with these. Just, there we go. You ready for this? The ElGato Strip lights. These are the strip lights that ElGato released back early April with two other products. I think they released it with the sound panels, right? The ElGato sound panels and a green screen mouse pad for whatever reason. So this was a part of a 3-item release, and I'm pretty excited about this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna take a look at what's inside, and then we're gonna plug it in, test it, see how it works, see if it's, you know, is it bright, is it not? We'll find out. And then we're gonna stick it to the back of my new desk and shine it on the wall so we get a nice glow from the new desk. That's gonna be super cool, so that's gonna be awesome. Hey there, my name's Jared, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about giving you all the tips, tricks, and hacks to help you increase and boost the production value of your video and your stream, and giving you some strategies on how to grow those. So if any of that interests you at all, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll greatly appreciate it. All right, let's take a look at these lights. Gotta go back to the knife again. I'm being careful, I promise. I'm not gonna pinch myself this time. Closing the knife, see? We're just gonna close the knife, nice. There we go, see? We're safe. We're safe here. Okay, box, user manual, that's important. What's in here? Oh, the lights are in here. Oh, that's nice, look at that. It's just all neatly wrapped. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just so nice right there. This looks like a power bank here. This also looks like a power bank. So this plugs into this, like that. All right, what else do we got? We got, oh, different power adapters. This is for Europe power outlets. I don't know which one this is. Is this for Australia or is this for Asia? I don't know. And then there's the American power plug. Slide that in like that, and lock it in. Now we're good to go. Now what's really cool is that these strip lights actually work through Wi-Fi, and which means you can control these from anywhere in your house, and you can control them in a variety of different ways, which we will definitely talk about later in the video. All right, let's plug these lights in, see how they work. Whoa, there we go. Nice. Just waiting for the light strip to connect to my Wi-Fi at this point. Oh, we're good. Okay, so now we have full control. This is actually, so this is that at its dimmest. That's at its brightest. That is bright. That could light me. Oh my goodness, this is, woo, we got some power here. Okay, I see you, ElGato, I see you. All right, let's turn that back down to 50% so I don't blind myself. Now what's cool is you could actually control the color temperature here, so you can, if you want a more warm white, a warmer hue, you can do that, and if you want a more cooler hue, you can go to that too. That is really cool. I'm a fan of that. And then of course, you can select all the fun LED colors, red, purple, blue, yellow, all of them. You got all the colors. Now, one of the things that ElGato did with these LEDs was they made them anti-flicker. A lot of times what you see with lower quality LEDs is you start to see some flickering going on, and that's because the light's refresh rate can't keep up with the frame rate of the camera, so you start to get that flickering issue. And this is something that you see especially with slow motion footage. Even with the floodlight and neon sign back there, there's still some flickering I notice in my footage when I edit, so it gets kind of annoying. So I'm hoping that even maybe this could replace my floodlight back there. Let's throw it back there and let's test it and see. All right, that power's off. Plug that in. All right, so the LEDs are at the bottom there. You could kind of see a glow. They're not super bright compared to my 50-watt floodlight, so that's kind of unfortunate. It was a wishful thinking, but you know, it's not meant to do that. That's okay. Yeah, that floodlight is way brighter, isn't it? All right, let's take this LED strip and put it behind the desk and see how it looks. All right, so I know my cable management here, it's not great. I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. It's better than it was though. Better than it was. All right, we ready for the reveal? I'm just gonna sit right here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That looks a lot better than I thought it would. That looks awesome. All right, so let's talk about control of the ElGato strip lights. There are a variety of ways you can control the ElGato strip lights. You can pretty much plug these anywhere and control them from the ElGato Control Center app. And the app is just super simple. It's really intuitive. A lot of times with these apps for smart lights, a lot of times things can get really jumbled and you can get lost in menus and you can't really find what you're looking for. You know, you got timers, you got routines, but you also got presets. Like there's so much going on. So this app makes it really easy. And not only can you control the lights from your phone, but you can actually control them from your computer as well. If you have the ElGato Control Center app on your desktop, you can actually control it straight from there. And if you have the ElGato Stream Deck, since these are all ElGato products, they work really well together. And so you could even control it from the ElGato Stream Deck, which is a big plus. Now, real quick, let's talk about price. These lights are priced at $60 currently. Now, the main competitor to the ElGato strip light that I can see is obviously Philips Hue. Now, the Philips Hue strip lights do run at about $80, so ElGato really did a good job of keeping this at a good price compared to, a big company like Philips Hue that's so popular, and those don't have the anti-flicker, by the way. So I think ElGato even is giving you more value for a better price. So if you've been thinking about going with the ElGato strip lights or maybe going and spending the money to get the Philips Hue, I honestly think you will be getting more value out of the ElGato strip lights rather than the Philips Hue ones. Now overall, I really think ElGato did a great job with these strip lights. Again, they're just strip lights, they're nothing fancy, they're nothing crazy, but ElGato really did make them really nice in terms of production with the anti-flicker feature and just, making them high quality LEDs. Now, if ElGato were to make a new version, a couple things I'd like to see. Number one is I'd like to see a frosted coating over the LEDs. That way you're not seeing the individual lights, and that way you can put it kind of around your room, on the ceiling, on the wall. You can actually kind of put it more places. That way you're not kind of having to see these individual lights, but it's frosted, so it kind of looks like a little bit, it just looks like a light strip that is cohesive and, consistent all the way around. And number two, I'd like to see better adhesive tape. I mean, it was good, it's okay, it does the job, but yeah, maybe something just a little bit stronger. But yeah, that's about all I can really say about the ElGato strip lights. If you are a content creator looking for, some lights to have some, add some aesthetic to your background, these are a great option. And just in general, ElGato really has done a great job with making products that keep the creator in mind. I mean, if you're a content creator just getting into live streaming or even in YouTube, ElGato's got pretty much everything for you. They have lights with the key lights, they have really affordable USB microphones with the Wave 1 and Wave 3 with powerful software to go with them. Really great microphones. They have capture cards, they have soundproofing, they have a stream deck that adds more macros to your computer. I mean, they have everything you could really need as a content creator. But hey, good job, ElGato. You did good. Now, I want to pass the question off to you. What do you think of the ElGato strip lights? Is it something that you might be interested in, something that maybe doesn't fit your use case? I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments down below. And also, what would you like to see ElGato make next? What product do you think creators could use more of? I would love a new floodlight, honestly. That's a floodlight that's super cheap, that is meant for outdoor gardens, not inside. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, your opinions, your ideas down in the comments below. Would love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps the video with the algorithm. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe. We got some cool stuff in the pipeline for this channel, so I'm really excited about that. Again, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.